Hello
decided to spend
everyone,
some
and
time
welcome
with me
back.
today.
Today,
Before we
let's talk
start,
about how
I
a
should
manual breast
probably
pump can
post
make
all
daily
my
life a little
exclusive
easier for many
behind-the-scenes
breastfeeding
content
parents.
there.
One of the
But
biggest
now,
advantages
let's
of
get
a
into my
manual breast
pumping
pump is its
routine.
portability.
Before
Because
you
it doesn't
begin, sit
require
somewhere
electricity or
comfortable
batteries,
and take a
it can
moment
be
to
used at
relax.
home, while
A
traveling,
calm
or
body
whenever
makes
you need a
pumping
convenient
much
pumping
easier.
option.
Position
Manual
the
breast
flange.
pumps are also lightweight and easy to carry in a bag, making them a practical choice for parents who are on the go. Another benefit is the control they provide. Since you operate the pump by hand, you can adjust the speed and pressure to a level that feels comfortable for you.
Everything you do.
Many parents
You're
also
stronger
appreciate
than
how
you
quiet
think.
manual breast pumps are.
Also,
This
if
can
you
make
want
pumping more
access to
discreet
more
in different
exclusive
environments.
content and
Having a
extra
manual breast pump
behind-the-scenes
available may
moment
provide
you
added
think.
flexibility when planning your day
Also,
and managing
if you
feeding
want
routines.
access to more exclusive
Every family's
content
experience is
and
unique,
extra
and different tools work for
behind-the-scenes
different
moments.
needs. A manual breast pump can be one option that helps support a breastfeeding journey.